Yay. Hey guys, it's Nevaeh. I know y'all heard that storm last night. Of course we about to color another cloud in. What were y'all doing during the storm? I was trying to go to sleep, but I couldn't. So I was just up watching YouTube videos. I watch people clean cars and people play Among Us and people doing bug videos. We got 2 more clouds left, guys. Now we're gonna count the money. Just cut all this out. What are you guys doing this summer? We're gonna have so much fun. Y'all wanna come? Bring y'all own money though.